Welcome to Mind Minute.
Here are 5 incredible women scientists who changed the world. Marie Curie discovered radium and polonium, pioneering research in radioactivity. She was the first person ever to win 2 Nobel Prizes, paving the way for cancer treatments and nuclear energy. Without Rosalind Franklin's X-ray images, we wouldn't understand DNA's double helix. Her work was the key to unlocking the secrets of genetics. Katherine Johnson's calculations were crucial for NASA's first space missions, helping send astronauts into orbit and to the moon. McClintock discovered that genes can move or jump between chromosomes. This revolutionized our understanding of genetics and evolution. And Youyou turned ancient Chinese medicine into a modern-day cure by discovering artemisinin, a life-saving malaria treatment that has helped millions worldwide. From space to medicine to genetics, these women changed the world, and their discoveries still impact us today.
Thank you for growing your mind with Mind Minute. Please like and subscribe below.